The Syrup Slingshot is an all-in-one motion control kit for capturing unique time-lapse shots over long distances. Usually, time-lapse motion is limited by the length of your slider. However, the Slingshot introduces a new way of thinking about how to move your camera for time-lapse. By essentially replacing the track with 2 lengths of cable, you can add next-level production value to your films. Create camera motion over lakes, at events, or for use in other creative productions. The Slingshot comes with everything you need to set up your never-ending time-lapse, including ropes, tie-down straps, carriage, tools and safety clips. And the entire kit comes neatly packed inside the Slingshot backpack, ready for you to take into any location. We wanted to make the Slingshot as portable as possible, so you can easily take it into remote locations as part of a small 1 or 2-man crew. We also focused on quick setup, removing the need for tools as much as possible and utilizing quick release design. Attach the brackets to 2 fixing points. Lock the ropes off, then simply tighten the other end. Place the carriage on top and click in the Genie to program full motion control. The link cable enables camera triggering to ensure your images are razor sharp. Just like the rest of the Syrup product line, the Slingshot uses the Genie in order to create tracking motion, making it more versatile than ever before. Program the Genie to create motion of up to 300 feet or 100 meters in length. You can also add 1 or 2 Genie minis to sync with the Genie to create dynamic pan track or 3-axis time-lapse. Multi-axis control can be set up using the Syrup Genie app, available on iOS and Android. Just connect to multiple Genie products via Bluetooth and program everything wirelessly from the app. Set up your tracking, panning and tilting movement, as well as other time-lapse parameters to shoot 2 or 3-axis motion.